Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the TV reachable. Turn it on, confirm WebOS version, and keep the remote handy. Using the remote, press the Home button to open the launcher. This is where system menus live. Once done, navigate to the gear icon labeled Settings. This is the control center for audio and connections. Make sure Wi-Fi is active because newer LG Bluetooth features depend on network services for device discovery. Now position your phone or headset nearby to reduce pairing time. Now you'll find the Bluetooth controls. In Settings, choose All Settings, then look for Sound or Connections. WebOS labels vary by year. Choose Sound out if you're pairing headphones or external speakers. Pick Bluetooth device list for general accessories. When the TV scans, you'll see nearby devices. You must put your accessory into pairing mode first so it appears. Once visible, select the device name and confirm any PIN prompts shown on screen. This sequence ensures a secure, direct link between TV and accessory. Finish by selecting the discovered device and accept any pairing confirmations. You should hear audio or see a status change within seconds. If pairing fails, restart the TV and your accessory, then try again with the accessory in clear pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth isn't blocked by airplane mode or another active connection on the accessory. If options still don't appear, check for a WebOS firmware update under Settings right arrow General right arrow about this TV. Updating often restores missing Bluetooth features and fixes pairing bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.